All right, good morning. Today is Monday, May 15th, 2023, and the markets are flat, maybe slightly down here this morning after a mixed week last week. So there are debates on the debt ceiling. There is deep pessimism out there, talks of recession. There is a lot going on right now. And each month, we prepare an in-depth and balanced view of what's going on in both the stock market and the economy. Our next presentation is Thursday, May 25th. You're invited to join us live for lunch here at our office in Eden Prairie. This presentation will also be streamed live online as well for those of you who are maybe out of state. Again, this is your opportunity to look over our shoulder, gain insight into where we think things are going, as well as ask any questions that you may have. Additionally, in our never-ending effort to help protect you, you are also invited to participate in our complimentary shredding month. Throughout this month of May, you may bring your unwanted and unneeded documents to our office, and we will take care of shredding them for you. It is that easy. So if you don't know what you should keep and what you can shred, we have a handy keep it or toss it guide to help. It's available on our website, or you can also just shoot any one of us an email and we can get you a copy. So mark your calendar, head on over to the website, RSVP for lunch on the 25th. Start collecting anything that you would like shredded. We hope to see you at this important monthly presentation, and I hope that you take advantage of our complimentary shredding month as well. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and roll today's intro, and then we'll take a closer look at what happened in the markets last week. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. Stocks were mixed last week as good inflation news was offset by mounting debt ceiling concerns and rekindled regional bank fears. The Dow Jones Industrials Average lost 1.11%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 slipped 0.29%. The NASDAQ Composite Index rose 0.4% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, fell 0.67%. The week got off to a quiet start as investors waited on April's two key inflation reports scheduled for release on Wednesday and Thursday. When consumer prices rose less than forecasted, stocks broke out of their lethargy and moved higher. Stocks also got a boost on Wednesday afternoon from comments from the White House hinting at an opening for negotiation on the debt ceiling. Despite a substantial cooling in producer price increases, stocks turned mixed on Thursday amid a disappointing earnings report from a Dow Industrial Component company and new data that reignited investor anxiety over regional banks' financial health. Stocks ended the week the way they began, largely drifting in an otherwise directionless fashion. Consumer prices rose 4.9% year over year, the 10th consecutive month that the headline inflation rate has declined. This was a slight improvement over March's 12-month increase of 5%. April's monthly inflation rate was 0.4%, above March's 0.1% rise. April's increase was driven by higher housing, gasoline, and used car costs. Inflation progress extended into wholesale prices, which rose 0.2% in April, below the consensus forecast of a 0.3% rise. For the last 12 months, producer prices increased 2.3%, an improvement from last month's 2.7% year-over-year gain, and the lowest recording since January of 2021. As always, we will continue to keep our finger on the pulse of what's happening and will automatically update your managed accounts as we see fit. This week, we are watching some key economic data Tomorrow, Tuesday, we have retail sales as well as industrial production. Wednesday, we have a report on housing starts. And then on Thursday, we have reports on existing home sales, the index of leading economic indicators, as well as jobless claims. And earnings season continues. A few companies that we're paying attention to this week. Tomorrow, we have the Home Depot. Wednesday, Cisco and Target. And then Thursday, Walmart, and Friday, Deere, amongst a few others. So if we are not investing your life savings for you, you can learn more about our personalized approach at smartmixportfolios.com. All right, looking ahead at our education calendar, we have an in-depth look at estate planning coming up. Traditional estate planning does not really cover everything that needs to be discussed. Your legacy is far more than just tangible assets. It includes things like your values, your family history, and proper preparation. So for this presentation titled How to Plan, Communicate, and Execute the Smooth Transfer of Assets and Values from One Generation to the Next, head on over to the events page on our website. You can also type in your address bar directly capitalclassroom.com, and it will take you to these upcoming educational presentations. So head on over to the website, RSVP. These presentations are streamed online. So if you drop your name and email in there, you'll get a reminder when it starts, as well as a link to the recording when it's over. All right, that is it for this week's update. Thank you for staying until the end today. I do have another riddle for you. Remember, be the first person to post the correct answer in the comments section of this video on either Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and now even Twitter, and we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. Okay, so today's riddle is, note this alphabetic progression: B, C, D, E, G. What letter should then follow as the sixth letter in this successive series? Again, be the first person to post the correct answer below this video in the comments section, and we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. Congratulations to Roger in Eden Prairie for a correct answer to last week's riddle. Roger, your answer was actually different. Roger answered peppers. Your answer was actually different than the official answer, but it is a correct answer. So we are going to go ahead and give it to you. If you would like the official answer to last week's riddle, head on over to our website /riddles to find out. You can also see the answers to all previous week's riddles as well. And then lastly, later on today, I will be sending out our full economic update for the week. This update includes more than what we talked about here this morning. This week, we have additional information on the importance of getting your tax filing status correct. So pay attention to this week's update. Look for that information on the importance of getting your tax filing status correct. And let us know, of course, as always, if you have any questions. If you'd like this email and you're not getting it, you may subscribe again on our website, www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.